Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find crypto recovery phrase. So to do this, you have to log your crypto.com app on your device, then log into your account using your account credentials. Then after that, you have to tap on the menu icon, which is the three-line button located at the top left corner of the home screen. Then select the settings from the menu option. Then after that, you have to access the security settings. So within the settings, tap on security, then select recovery phrase from the list. Then after that, you have to tap on view recovery phrase, then enter your passcode and complete any required 2FA verification, which is two-factor authentication. Then read and acknowledge the security warning presented. Then tap review my recovery phrase when ready. Then after that, carefully write down your 12 words recovery phrase in an exact order display. Do not take screenshot or store it digitally to prevent potential security risk. Then store the written phrase in a secure and a private location. Then after that, after noting down the phrase, tap on continue. Then you will be prompted to verify the phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Then once verified, tap on continue, then complete the process. And that's how you can simply find crypto recovery phrase in crypto.com. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.